Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly and this is The Appearance of Clean. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys are having a great week. Just on Sunday, I posted my first spring cleaning 2020 video. I'm gonna create a series of spring cleaning and I'm still gonna do that. However, I'm switching gears early on, right out of the gate, because this coronavirus that's going around, like many of you, I'm very, very confused as to the seriousness of it. You know, should we take it serious? Is it just flu-like symptoms? Blah, blah, blah. However, I fall into that small percentage of people who could be affected in a deadly fashion. I am immunosuppressed or immune compromised due to a kidney transplant that I received in 2008. So regardless of the chatter that's going on about this virus, I have to take it serious. So I am going to switch gears really quick, and today I'm going to do a deep clean in my kitchen and sanitize areas that maybe you haven't even thought of that you need to sanitize, and you're thinking, oh, you know, well, maybe I should take it seriously. Maybe I'm not immunosuppressed, or nobody in my family is immunosuppressed. I don't have any elderly family members in my home, but I want to take it serious, and I want to clean, and I want to get it sanitized. And there's no reason why you shouldn't. Why take that chance? Even if you get sick with flu-like symptoms for 2 weeks, who wants that? I will be 52 on Friday. I'm immunosuppressed and I've never had the flu. If I get this, it could be very, very bad for me. So that's what I'm doing today. Please join me. Maybe get some motivation and some ideas on where you can clean in your kitchen and get it sanitized and prepare just in case. You don't want to get this. It does not sound like it's going to be fun for you and definitely not for me. So come on, join me. Let's clean our kitchen and sanitize. So the first thing I did was clear off everything from my island bar, and I made 2 solutions in my sink. I've got one side of warm water and a cap full of Clorox bleach, and the other side is warm water and some Dawn antibacterial dish soap. So using a clean rag, I'm going to use the dish soap solution, and I'm going to clean the counters very, very well. I'm going to get any kind of food off of there, any sticky mess. I'm going to make sure I clean the edges of the granite because sometimes those can get messed in regular daily cleaning, and then I'm going to let that dry completely. And while that dries, I'm just going to sweep out some debris from around the cabinets, and then I'm going to use my bleach solution and I'm going to clean my pendulum lights that hang above my bar.
It's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
So to sanitize my countertops, I'm using the Clorox multi-surface spray, and it is safe for sealed granite, which is what I have. And I'm going to spray that down really, really good, and then I'm going to let that sit for 1 minute so it can do its thing. And then with another clean, dry towel, I'm going to wipe it all off, completely dry.
Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes?
So before I continue with the granite, I'm going to go ahead and use my soap solution and clean all the cabinets and drawers, tops and bottoms. And then I'm going to use my bleach solution and I'm going to go ahead and clean and sanitize all the hardware, the drawer pulls and the cabinet knobs.
It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder. look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you.
And now I'm going to use my bleach solution to clean the items that normally sit out on my counter, like my paper towel holder and some other items that always sit out there. I'm going to use the Clorox wipes to clean some of those. Just things that sit on your counter on a daily basis and you're touching all the time. You come in from the car and you touch stuff, you put things in, you move them when you're cooking. And sometimes they just get missed as far as sanitizing clean during my regular clean.
We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. Cup after cup, yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. About the way we are. Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you, and how I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long...
So this is the next morning, and I finished up in my kitchen by cleaning and sanitizing my sink. I'm just using the Dawn antibacterial dish soap with a good scrub brush, and then I'm going to take a sponge and clean out the garbage disposal. I'm going to clean underneath that rubber seal that you don't really clean that often, and it really gets a lot of disgusting stuff on it. Then I'm going to throw one of my deodorizing and cleaning blocks in there. I will link the video that I showed how to make those down below in my description. And then I'm going to clean my microwave just with a Clorox wipe. Just going to wipe it down real good and clean it. And then I'm going to finish up with the floors, and I will be done.
Another day, another rhyme, trying to sugarcoat and reconcile, so I can do a dance and make us both forget, only to start it up and play.
So this just as pretty much my last thing to do in here. Thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. I hope I inspired you to clean and sanitize your kitchen. My next video, I will do the same thing with my bathrooms and my laundry room, just getting everything clean and sanitized. I am not getting sick this year. I'm not going to get this coronavirus, and you shouldn't either. So thank you so much again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing and giving me that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Thanks. Bye-bye.
The